Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to combine shipping in eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Combining shipping allows buyers who purchase multiple items from you to pay one shipping fee instead of multiple fees. To do it, simply head over and open up your eBay account or eBay application and sign in with the seller account, or you can simply head over to your browser and open ebay.com on your PC and then log into your account. Now next step is to wait for multiple orders from the same buyer. eBay allows combining shipping after the buyer purchases multiple items. Then items must be shipped to the same address. The next is to go to the orders by simply tapping on the sell icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and inside select sold. Then once inside, what you need to do is look for multiple orders from the same buyer and then click combine orders or simply tap on combine shipping on your mobile version. Then next is to order shipping cost. eBay will show visual shipping fees. You can manually enter a combined shipping cost and update the total amount. Then once that's done, simply click on send invoice and the buyer will receive a single invoice with combined shipping. And now once that's done, pack all the items together and ship with one tracking number if possible. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.